Yo, what is up, YouTube? Today is, I have no clue what day it is, but, oh, it's Saturday. Ignore what I said there. But, yeah, so today I'm going to go down to the creek near me, which is probably going to be most of these videos, because right near me, this place has some giant minnows. It has some really big rock bass. I'm talking about, like, oversized rock bass. I'm not sure if we're going to get one today, because the water's low, though, but we should get on some fish. And hey, and maybe I'll get one of those giant rock bass. The last time I was there, I was casting along this branches, like there's a whole bunch of trees and branches down, and usually these rock bass like to hide right in there. And I cast it right along there, and I jig a worm, like a real worm, and they just smash it, man. These things are pretty big. They're fun to catch. Alright? So let me show you my rig for today. The Zenko. Yes, the Dock Demon. This is what I always use because it's fun to catch trout with it. There's also giant trout in this creek. I forgot to say that. I'm not sure if we'll run into any, but if we do, it should be fun on this rod. It's always fun on this rod to catch a nice trout. So, alright, let's get to it. I forgot to explain on the last slide or video or whatever what my actual, like, rig was about. So, look. It really has free split shot on it, and I clinch knot a hook. If you guys don't know what a clinch knot is, I'll also, I guess, make a video on how to do a clinch knot, because it's like the best knot ever. It works for like almost everything. Anyways, see you at the creek. Okay guys, I've made it to the creek, but I have my secret spot. I'll show you in a little bit. What is up, YouTube? Osney Fishing Adventures. We have made it to the creek. You guys can see this. It is a really giant creek, but right now I've been fishing for an hour and I didn't get a single bite, and that is not normal for this place. I've never been here this early in the morning here, so I'm not sure how it's gonna go. Right now I'm just gonna cast it and I'm just gonna wait, and if I get one, I'm gonna put it right back on record, and I'm gonna hit this fish, and I'm gonna make sure I get it on video, guys. So make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and hopefully we catch some fish. Guys, I finally caught a frickin' fish. I caught this tiny creek chub. The smallest ass fish in the creek. Well, it's something. I'm not done fishing yet. Guys, I finally caught a rock bass. He isn't very big, but it's something. Alright, guys. Whew. See if we get another one quick. I'm really running out of time now. I might come back here later when the fish are actually biting. Holy cow. Look at this. The chub. That's a chub. Guys, that creek chub was over 9 inches. And it had to have been, because look, this is the box I was using. Actually caught him not today. I caught him about like a month ago at another secret spot that I haven't been able to go to because it's kind of private and I don't really want to get caught. But I think I might go down there sometime soon, and if I see the landowner, I'm just going to say, hey, I pick up all my trash and all that, and you know, because I want to catch fish, and I already caught a few trout down at it's a big dam. It's not a really big dam, but it really is a pretty good dam, and there's trout always hanging out there. And they're on the ready, they're taken, they're all hanging on the bank. But yeah. Well, guys, as you saw earlier, that was a failed trip with no fish whatsoever. I didn't catch anything. So later today, I'm going to head down to a bridge near me where there's always like good-sized creek chubs, and we should catch some stuff. If we don't catch stuff there, that's going to be like sadness, really. It's going to be sad. Usually the big rock bass don't bite unless it's like the water's high. I need to wait until the water gets high. Once that water gets high though, I'm going to go back there and I'm going to make a video, and it's going to probably be like fish heaven down there. So yeah, let's go to the bridge now. A different bridge. What is up, guys? I am at the bridge. It's a really small bridge, but it's really deep under here, guys. It's not that deep, but There's a whole bunch of minnows always under here. No, they're not minnows, they're creek chubs. And also, I already caught a big sucker over here. Like, not too big, but hey, let's see what we can catch here. Alright, guys. I need to get something. I am desperate. Do you get anything? Going. Here we go. Yeah, he's an alright one. Alright, guys. We've got our first, creek chub. Whoop, there he is. Let's get him unhooked. Right, put this back in my thingy. Whoa. Nice chubby. Hopefully he's in the camera for you guys. Let's release this boy. Goodbye. There he goes. Let's get another one. I'm getting something. I don't know if I got it. No, I didn't. Now I got him. Oh, that's a nicer one. That, my lord. Actually, no, he's an alright one. He's a giant. Woo. Whoa, calm down. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Mr. Chubby. Hello, guys. My name is Mr. Chubbies. Goodbye. Let's catch some more. The Wizard of Oz shall summon a giant 12-inch ginormous chub. I've caught a trout in here, guys, too. But that's very rare for this place. It is like way downstream. I mean upstream, so. From the place I was fishing over at the other place, this is way upstream. Whoa, my camera's a little bit to the side. Got one. He is a very small, oh my god, that's a small one. He is a very small one, guys. Ugh. Look at that. Look at him, he's giant. Monster, guys. Look at that. Beautiful monster. Wow. Let's go catch another one. And another one. DJ Osney. Woo woo. DJ Osney on the beat, bro. Oh. Osney cast. Osney is waiting. Osney wants fish. Will he get fish? Oh, I don't know. Reel that in. There's nothing on there. I thought I didn't have a worm, guys. But it seems that I do, so I'm casting back out. That was a good cast. I better get something on this cast. Come on, guys. Oh, I think I'm getting something. Wait it sit, let it sit. Nope. Alright, nothing. I need to get a good cast under that bridge. And that was alright. see if we get anything. Well, I had one. Not sure if no, I don't have one. I had a bite, guys. That's all I know. Oh, that was a really far cast. Come on, fishy, where you at? Come on. Mr. Chub, where are you? Where now is Mr. Chub? Where is Chubby? Got him. That's a small one. It's a little bigger than the last one, at least, you know? But I'm looking for Mr. Mega Chub, you know? He's a small-ass little thing. Woo! Well, guys, I just lost a giant creek chub. Like, probably a foot-long one, which makes me really mad. Ugh. Osney's triggered. That's right, guys. Osney is triggered. He will catch this giant. He'll catch a giant. Come on, fishy. I'm waiting. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for your return. No, one minute. Oh, no. Oh, that one. Need a better one, Oh, yeah. There's a bigger one, guys. There is a bigger one. No, I do not want to live now. Right there, guys. And there he goes. Alright, guys. We're gonna catch a giant, and I know it. I don't care if it's a chub or whatever. We're gonna catch a giant. I caught an okay one, like the first time, but I got a big ass piece of worm on there. And if there's a giant chub in there, he's gonna frickin' maul it. Alright? I just need to get a good cast under there. Which I just did. Alright, let's see if we get anything, guys. We're waiting. Come on, fishy. Where is Mr. Fishy? Come on, Mr. Fishy. Ah, he was there. Mr. Fishy was there. Ah. Where is Mr. Fishy? Seems like I don't got a worm anymore. Whoa, something took it. Something just took my entire worm, guys. That must have been something bigger. There's no way. I mean, that was a pretty nice worm, too. What the... If anything. I mean... I expected to eat the entire worm off. Whatever. Alright, there must be something actually pretty good in there. Osni shall find out, because Osni knows all. That was shitty cast. Real quickly. Alright. That was a good cast. See if we get anything, guys. I'm getting something. I got one. Here's another one. He's a really skinny one. Jeez, I don't think I've ever caught a frickin' chub so skinny. Yeah. There he is, guys. Nothing compared to that chub I showed you earlier in the video. But he's a chub. Whoa, he's going insane. Goodbye. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you saw that giant. But, oh, he was a pretty big one, but I catch bigger ones in here, guys. This creek is like crazy. See what we get, guys. Got one. He's an alright one. Now we're getting the bigger ones now, though. They keep getting bigger as I catch them. Here we go, guys. Look at that fishy. Say hello to the camera. Goodbye. Okay, guys. Got a big worm on there. We're gonna see if we can land another big chub. No. Nothing. I thought there was something on it. That line took slack, so. Come on, fishy. No. Come on, Mr. Fishy. I'm waiting for you. I want you. My goodness. Cannot get a fish right now. Come on, Mr. Fisher. Going. Small one. He ain't small, but he's small in comparison to the ones I usually catch. Oh, he's going insane. There you go, guys. Take a good look at this boy. Alright, guys. Let's get another giant chub. Come on. Looking for an above average monster, man. Creek monster. On fishing. Alright. No, not really good cast, but it might get me something, I don't know. Nothing there. The non-fishy. Man. Nope. I got a little one. Oh no, that's actually an okay one. There he is, guys. Release. Guys, I got a pretty nice one. Ugh. Gotta get him in. Whoa, he's going insane. Whoa. Holy crap. Look at this guy. Giant. I need a few more of these boys. Woo! Let's get them released. There he goes. Guys, unexpected catch. I caught this really, really pretty pumpkin seed. Whoa, I need to get all this stuff off of them. No, please don't. Yeah. Look at this. Look at the colors on this boy. Beautiful. Oh, he's bit the hook. Alright. Time to let him go. There he goes. The wonderful wizard is ready to fish again. The Great Oz, ready to make his cast. Oh, he makes a beautiful cast all the way down that friggin' creek. I mean the bridge, not creek. Got one. Not sure how big it is. Oh, he's a nice one. He's a nicer one. Alright, there we go. Booyah. Oh shit, I hooked him deep. Oh, the worm flew out. Ah, he ate it. Well guys, it ended up that I did actually catch some fish in the end. They weren't as big as I wanted them to. I showed you that one video of that one bigger one I caught. Hopefully sometime I'm fishing at the creek and I catch something bigger. But I think it was a successful day. I mean, in the morning, oh my god, it was not successful. But the Wizard of Oz is out. Hope all y'all have a nice... Since I'm going to post this Sunday, I hope you guys have a nice Sunday. Good night. Mom, you just interfered with my video. What do you want?
Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.